Here's how to sell digital products on Bigcartel. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Now the first step is to open your Chrome browser and then type here Bigcartel. Then open Bigcartel website and then make sure to create your account first. So it may be asked to verify your email address. So after putting all the details of your account, you can log into your Bigcartel account. After this, you can see that my Bigcartel account is created successfully. You can see here are many options which include verify your location, currency, add a product, explore, shipping profiles, connect payment procedure, design your shop. But we have to click on the second option, which is add product button. And then you have to enter your product name. It may be anything that you can include according to your product. So the next step is to add category. You have to select your category. After selecting category, you have to enter your product price. Make sure your product price is fair. Next, you can add variants of your products. It's mean if you have a product which have multiple purchases plan, like if Canva Pro have 2 plans for 1 month and 2 months and 3 months, or 1 year, so you can add all the prices and all the details which have maximum opportunities, maximum template. Next, you can see that link of your product is successfully created. It's mean your product is listed. Now we have to check our product is listed or not in our website, so click on the link that we have put. So now you can see that my website is open and here this is product is listed. So recently I have not added any photo, so that's why photo is not showing. So you can see that when anyone want to purchase my product, he will or she will click on this button and buy that product.